Welcome in, time for another lesson. Today we are looking at a little groove from this book here, Advanced Funk Studies by Rick Latham. Awesome drummer, awesome educator. I've got a lot of good things out of this book. We're going to take a simple but effective groove from this book. I'm going to page, I think it's page 5 in the book, right, if anyone gets the book. And there's one really simple groove, right? We're going to expand on that groove and show you how you can make it into a lot more interesting than just the basic one. But so you know what's going on, here's the basic part. And it's as simple as that, right? We may do it quick. And then we're going to start to put some other things around it like I did there so we can really expand. So let's get you playing it. Right, to start with, we've got a very simple pattern here, right? We've got a bass drum with a hi-hat. And then we've got a pattern that goes right, left, right, right, left. Well, hopefully you recognize that because that's basically a paradiddle. Paradiddle. It's a paradiddle stop because we've got an extra note on the end. So I just think of those and teach those as paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop. Paradiddle stop, or right, left, right, right, left. Just try that part on its own. Your right hand's going to be the hi-hat, left hand's going to be the snare. It's going to sound like this. And that's coming on the end of 1. So the first note, 1 and 2, E, and. So the end and we end on the and of 2. There we go. So 1 and 2, E, and. Straight to the second half. The second half's got an interesting impound. We go hi-hat, bass drum, left, right. But we get this pattern that goes 3 and 4E. 3 and 4E. Sounds like this. And then we simply open the hi-hat. So slowly, but putting that together for you. What I love about some of the grooves in this book, Rick Latham has obviously got a lot of influence from Steve Gadd, so there's a lot of Steve Gadd-like grooves in this book. But what I really like about it is it means that the right hand's not always playing one standard ostinato. We're mixing in some rudiments, some linear, and lots of interesting patterns. Let's expand this then. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the last part where we went ba-ba. I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to replace it with something simple. Let's say 4/16 notes, this. So I'll give me this. Maybe I want to break those 16ths up, so I'll change it to. Or maybe I'm just going to extend that note in another Steve Gadd-like way, where I'm just going to hit a tom and let it ring out. But ultimately, when we're playing drums, when we can really express ourselves is because we're taking lots of different ideas and put them all into one. So I'm going to just mess around now with those 3 ideas, right? I'm either doing a long note, I'm doing the, or I'm doing. So a few more advanced guys, what you can start to do once you've got that is you can just take that little gap and fill it with anything you want, right? Go crazy, go linear, go whatever you want. What I also like to do with this one is maybe double up or triple up the. off of these ideas that I've gotten from this book, of which there's lots of them, they create lots of new grooves then that you would not recognize as being from the book. So if I take this one and put, say, the right hand on the bell of the ride cymbal, suddenly I'm starting to think Latin. So I'm thinking, well, what if I put my left hand here? Maybe what I could also do then is put that last note on the tom. Off of that sprouts all sorts of ideas. Okay, so hopefully I've taught you well enough that you've got that groove quite quickly. Have a little look at this book. It's a good book, Advanced Funk Studies. It's not going to be for everyone, right? Not every book is for everyone, but in this book you can see that there's lots of these little individual grooves for you to go away and learn. What I also like to do with lots of these grooves is sometimes when I teach grooves, I find that the people learn them and they love it, but then they're like, well, I don't know how to play it. It's cool playing it at a sound check, and that's about it. Well, try anything that you find that's a little unusual. What you can often use them for is for drum fills. So say you're playing Oasis. Then you can drop that in as a fill. If you're enjoying today's lesson, please let me know. If you're digging these things I'm doing from the books, let me know, because I'd like to do a few more of those. Please subscribe, like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you again real soon.